quick update on our E30 here. I got the car running, and unfortunately it has a pretty pronounced tick in the top end of the engine. So it's got the stock M20 2.5 in it, and while they're kind of famous for being noisy, this is a little concerning. So I've got all the spare parts to pull the head and replace the rockers and the camshaft, but you know, I've got so many options, I'm kind of not knowing what to do. But I think to do it right, we're gonna have to pull this head and go ahead and get everything refreshed on it. And here's the noise that I'm talking about. Yeah. So as you can see, I've been, this is my valve checkoff sheet for doing valve adjustment, and I have adjusted the valves several times, and it's really not seeming to help this noise. So I think the only option we're gonna have is to just yank the head, go ahead and replace the cam and the rockers, and make sure we don't see any damage, and put it all back together and hope that fixes it. It's really too nice of a car not to just get completely right. There shouldn't be any half stepping here on replacing anything on this car. And hopefully in a week or so, we'll get it back together, and I will update y'all then. So until then, we'll see you next time on Auto Scholar and Mr. B.